Hey guys, this is Ciara and we have joined the Dutch Omelette event. So now there are a few more new Dutch Omelettes on the island, and there's also trailers to transport us, and there's also Blizzard Winter Design. I can't really open up though because I don't know why, but we'll just leave it for now. So I seen one of the videos that you actually can check Warmblood's Dutch Warmbloods over at Huygens Horse Shop. Yeah, here's one Dutch Warmblood. Anyway, I have not very good stats, but this is a liver chestnut. Because there are a variety of numbers of this. There's a Ethiopian chestnut, I think. This is a dapple gray. That's one good. One, but I should say we should go to this island to check out the redesign and the new trailers update. But now we have actually servers. If you want to see, there's actually a server for each one. For each of these, you see these two more have normal servers like this one. But these three, that means they come in 3 packs. That means these 3 are island servers, servers. Because it becomes a bit annoying for the updaters that they keep going to the same island and not on a different server. I think so, but we won't investigate this, so yeah. And here's the new winter update design. Oh, look at the list of an island. This one travel trip, that's fine. You don't like the dog trailer. I think you should choose your horse. Of course, it's not as fast as this. Okay. It's actually now 50%, 60% built. But you can build them. So now let's check out the rest of the island. Since it's been a brand new updated island, with more ores this time. Hmm. They don't realize much, but they updated Winter Island, and now it has quite a big structure. Yeah, it's full of mazes. You're like about to get lost. But I'm pretty sure you just can reset to the game here. Go back to adults. You know what I'm talking about. so now there's a glacial trail. And if I'm sure there has to be another Dutch warm blood, yeah, here is one. Yes, Chestnut Tobiano. So here's another one. Shows the difference from the other ones. So because there's at least I think 6 new types of Dutch warm blood colors. If you're in the game. Feeling frozen out. I want to actually get more of his things because I really don't understand why they're getting more things. But there is a lot to be collected. At least I think. I don't think there are any more updates this week, but except other than this, I think we're going to be setting off to other islands to check out the other Dutch warm blood design and just in front of those. So you'll see you there. So now we're on Forest Island. And yeah, you must be wondering, oh, I know updates about this. Why are we going new? So we can check out the new Dutch warm blood design. If they are here, yeah, this one here. Okay, that's the wrong one. Okay, yeah, this one. Here is a black Dutch warm blood horse. And I don't know where to find them. Island shops. So yeah, there's actually some Dutch walkers for sale. sell off some of your horses to tribute for some of these Dutch womblets. Sure, amazing. So I'll see you to the next island, Royal Island. Hi guys, we are at Royal Island. Sadly, we can't go to more other islands other than this island because I haven't unlocked that many since my level is actually quite low. I'm going to talk a bit fast. Please comment below. So here is the next Dutch womblet design. Oh my god, today I just seen change. Here's a chestnut Tobiano. Here's an Aldasian. So now the last item you can check out is Desert Island. As I told you, I've not unlocked all the islands yet since I need to actually be playing on this game more, but I'm recording other videos that have been kept in the list 5 for more than like ever. So pardon me for my late coming because I've been busy. Shucks, straight down to 1000. Oh, but for some reason so. And I think yeah, this is a Carmelo. This is the island code. And I'm sure I think there are no Dutch womblet on this island. Because I think they just reset it. But it ain't a worry for me since I can just sell off some things. So yeah, that's what's going to happen now. And next time I'm just being sold off. Because I really don't need them. But I will keep you. So now let's check out this arrangement I just bought. Okay, its stats are quite good, I have to say. I think I might sell one my horses that I think I'm going to actually not use. I'll use in the future, but I have this horse called Jenny's Kite, and when I got her, the stats are quite high, turned out not, so yeah. Because I haven't actually have an Arabian in some time now. So I'll actually be breeding this girl in the next episode of Wild Horse Islands. And it's an ISO update that just came today, so you should check it out. Bye guys!